between his unit and Huawei Technology, and we expect more announcements to come very soon from the two main messaging platforms, Tencent with their WeChat platform and Alipay with their Alibaba and their Alipay platform. So and there's some conjecture that this instrument might be called the DCEP, standing for Digital Currency Electronic Payment. There is some conjecture that we might see it launch even before the end of this year, but certainly probably in Q1 of next year. Conjecture today is that this will be similar to Libra based on a basket of currencies. This will not be just a new digital renminbi. And this, I think, illustrates that this is an area that we all need to continue to give a great deal of attention and understand what those different considerations are in the design of central bank currencies, the role that commercial banks will serve in that sort of an ecosystem, how our systems can be upgraded and improved. Because I think, if I went back to that driver's slide, we all agree, and we're gathered here today because we're looking for more efficient, more effective, and more inclusive systems. And these technologies hold the promise to do that. It's just a question of how do the public sector and the private sector work together to move forward into a new digital currency and ecosystem marketplace. How do we leverage those benefits for those people who are excluded today in digital identity, coupled with payments, coupled with a stored value, and make sure that we reap the benefits without introducing new risks or extending existing risks like money laundering and AML risks, or making sure that we have consumer protection pieces in place. The Libra proposal also introduced the potential of what is the right mechanism to manage a global basket and reserve of currencies for a global stored value unit, and what is the appropriate body to provide that oversight, and how would you monitor and evaluate that in real time, and what would the impacts of that sort of a structure be on the sovereign monetary authority and policy within individual governments. So our message today is, I think, that this is a space that we continue to stay focused on. We're very interested in the design considerations that different central banks will take, and we hope that they'll be very engaged with the commercial banking sector as they develop these new instruments and roll them out. So thanks very much for spending a moment today. Happy to answer follow-up questions at lunch. And with that, I think that we have a very exciting panel on innovation, which will continue this and other themes that we've introduced throughout the morning. So thank you for your time.